You all, this is the unboxing of the large Tibetan bowl directly from the Himalayas from a monastery in Tibet. Okay, here we go. Let's get this going. Oh, you ready, Reese?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Woo. We most definitely packed this well. It got some weight to it too. Wow. It actually smells like it comes from a monastery in Tibet. All right. Oh boy. Okay, so cool. A big bag with it. Okay. So a nice travel bag. Shout out to the brothers and sisters out there in the Himalayas. Wow.
Oh, I should have made a gift. Make sure it got to us.
Wow.
Woo. That's beautiful.
Wow. Look at this. Look at that. First off, a huge donut to set it on. Okay, mallets and bangers. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Would you do me the honor? Okay, I'm gonna have
Definitely.
you. Okay. I'm gonna get the tripod. So here we go.
Testing. Woo. One more.
Wow. Wow. That's interesting. Take your socks off. I think that's
Oh
something better.
man. I was thinking that, but I was like,
Okay. All right. I would like you to rhythmic breathe. Keep your back straight. I see your knees started to bend. How did that feel?
the only thing I thought of like surfboarding. That's what it made me think of, like surfboarding. Except the water is it's like a vibration underneath the water that's like this.
Okay.
And you can feel it coming through. You're trying to like stabilize, but it just keeps shooting through.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice. a nice rise.
Yeah, yeah. Weekly tunings. Yeah. It's interesting. It's kind of like after, it's kind of like I don't want to say anything. It's kind of like just, you feel that too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's kind of like you just want to be present. You know what I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying? In the moment, it's kind of contemplating what you feel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
That's usually how it is in the movies too. As soon as somebody having a peak experience, it's that ding, and then they just walk. Just
Oh wow.
right before the initiation starts.
Hmm.
Right before the portal opens.
Hmm.
Whew.